Hello lawn mowing people. What I'm going to talk about today is how you can get a free website for your lawn mowing business and how you can set it up and how you can get it running. Now this is a site that I build for a lot of lawn mowing businesses and they work really well and they're very simple to set up, and I'm just going to go through the process here. Now we all know that a website is an absolute must if you've got a lawn mowing business, and this website builder is a little used feature that comes with your Google My Business profile. Now if you're saying what is Google My Business, then you need to do that first. Google My Business is a listing basically on Google Maps, and if you haven't set one up yet, set one up now, because it is one of the best ways of getting leads that I've ever come across. And so what exactly does a Google My Business listing do? A Google My Business listing will help you get found on search. If someone does a Google search, and 90% of the world does use Google, and they do a search like lawn mowing near me, or lawn mowing your location, or lawn care near me, or anything like that, then Google may show your business in the free Google Maps section. Now when you're looking here at a search result, you can see here that these are Google paid ads. So this is what they call Google ads, and these guys are paying some of these guys are paying quite a bit of money to have these come up here. I think these guys here probably both of these guys probably spend $1,000 a month to get up there, so it's not cheap. I can manage to get my guys up there for about 10% of that, but they don't get up there all the time. But then when you go to Google Maps and you look at these here are the free listings. This here is Gecko Lawns. That's my business, and it's actually come up as the first result in the free listings. And Lawn Mowing 101, my consulting business, yeah, that's number 2. And then you've got these guys here, that the same guys up here, and these guys are spending a lot of money here. This is a free listing for them. So this is why you want your business on Google My Business. So if you haven't already set it up, do it now. Stop this video, go and do it now. So hopefully now you've either stayed with me or you come back to the video. Your Google My Business listing is set up and running, and it's time to find that handy little feature that's hidden that hardly anybody ever finds, and you can claim yourself a free Google website. So what is a Google My Business website? A Google My Business website is a free lead site that connects to your Google My Business account. Every time you make a change on your Google My Business account, the website will change as well. The domain name will look like this. So it'll have the secure connection, it'll have your business name, it'll have business site written after it. You can get a custom domain if you want one, and you can set up a pointer. I've done that before and it's not hard to do. Now a Google website will show, and it doesn't matter whether your business is verified or not. However, a verified listing will show more details. A standard Google website that's not verified will have the following sections. It'll have the heading. So it'll basically have the name, it'll have a click to call button. You can make this a click to quote button if you want. These are the options that you get with these buttons. You can even have a message SMS button, or it could be make an appointment. And there's a few more buttons that you can have, but these are the main ones. So these are I basically always use the call button. If I couldn't use the call button, I'd probably use the quote button. And then you have your business description. Now this just tells you a bit about your business. I basically just write a little bit about your business and then have a call to action at the end. And you want a call to action, something like get a free quote today, or call me now for a free quote, or get a no obligation quote, or call us today, anything like that. Just finish off with a call to action because people need a little bit of prodding. It has a gallery, and what I basically do is when I'm out and about mowing lawns, I take random photos. I actually have a random timer that goes off, and I just take a photo. And so I always have tons and tons of these photos. I've got about 500 of them now, and I just upload them. If I went mowed a lawn today and took a photo and uploaded it using the Google Maps app, then that photo would appear here within the next few days. So you just keep that gallery going. And the final thing that you'll find on there is your contact details, which will have the call now button. It'll have your phone number, and it'll have your open hours. What I tend to do with the open hours is I put the times that the guys can answer the phone rather than the times that they're actually mowing lawns, because some people will go to Google Maps and they'll see that the business is marked as closed and they won't call them. And so most of the guys that I work with, they're available to take calls over the weekends. They may not work in the weekends, but they're available to take a quote. So they just have the open hours there. Now, if you're a verified listing, then you get a couple of extra sections. You get posts, and this is basically, think of posts like as in little billboards, and these can actually come up in your next to your listing when someone does a search for your business. And some of them actually have buttons. You see how this one here's got a call now button, and so if this comes up in the right hand side of the search screen and has that little call now button, someone can click that on a mobile and actually call this guy directly. The posting function is really handy, and what I suggest is you don't use it like Facebook. It's not for social media posting, it's not for posting say, hey, I went this here today. Post your jobs, post the different kinds of work that you do. If you do lawn mowing, hedge trimming and gardening, make one of them lawn mowing, one of them hedge trimming, one of them gardening. When you start off, do a post each week and cover all your different services, and then change them once a month to keep your business ranking in the Google search. And the other thing is reviews. If you get any reviews for your business, it's going to show up on your verified listing as well, and that looks really good. You get a page of testimonials, and these are Google testimonials, so they can't be modified, they can't be changed, they're the real deal. And so now that we've talked about what you can get, I'll do a quick talk about how you set it up. Now, to set up your free Google website, first thing you need to do is open your Chrome browser, log in to your Google profile or Gmail account, and then type My Business into the search bar, and your Google business should now be displayed in your browser. This is after you set up your Google profile. If you haven't set up your profile, then go and do it now. Now, when you do a search for My Business and you're logged in into the profile that manages the business, then you should see something like this. And this is edit profile, read reviews, messages, etc. Your performance. Here where it says edit profile, that's where you want to click. And then once you've clicked there, you're going to get to this page here. You want to go to contact, or you can just scroll down the page. When you get to contact, it's going to say, this one's different because it's already set up, but it's going to say put your website in here or create one with us. And then you hit the create one with us button. Now once you've done that, you'll get taken to a really simple setup. What you do is just basically follow these instructions, and these will tell you exactly how to set it up. Then once you set it up, you'll have a little button up here that says publish. You hit the publish button and wham bam, you're live. And remember, if you'd like to learn more about building a profitable lawn mowing business, you can always join the Lawn Mowing 101 membership now with a 7-day free trial. Get in there, have a poke around, and it'll have all the information that you need to build a profitable lawn mowing business. And until I talk to you next time, I hope you found a bit of value in that. Get out there, mow lawns, have fun, and happy lawn mowing, people.